YouTube channel, guys. My name's Ardil, and today's video we are working on this, a mini John Cooper Works. However, there is a slight issue that I want to raise to you guys. The car basically was ordered with Harmon Kardon. It's a brand new vehicle that's literally coming directly from the dealership. However, due to the chip shortage, our client couldn't get hold of the Harmon Kardon upgraded sound system that BMW offer, but that is all about to change. What we're actually doing is upgrading it with an Audison Prima setup. If you want to see the difference between Harmon Kardon and Audison Prima, see what the differences are, check out in the description below. There is another video for sound off, well worth a watch after today's video. But what we've actually got on this car is basically the stock system, no Harmon Kardon. We've basically got a 4-inch in the door, no tweeter, and is lacking basically in every single element in terms of sound. But first things first, before we make a start, inside this door, what we've actually done, I'm gonna do a little knock test now so you guys can actually hear what it sounds like before. So hopefully this comes across all right on camera, but it's quite tinny, very hollow. And the reason for that is that's just a massive expense of metal inside this door. Really, it's kind of flimsy framework, but that's all going to be sorted with skin soundproofing and then upgrading the actual component in the door with that Audison Prima set. So the guys are going to get going and we'll show you around it.
Hi guys, I'm Carl, and today we're doing a speaker upgrade on this John Cooper Works Mini. So we've removed the factory speaker, which is a single cone mid-range. We've replaced it with an upgraded mid-range with an integrated tweeter, as unfortunately the factory system doesn't come with a tweeter at all. So this is going to give us a lot more of a boost in the high end and make the sound a lot more crisp.
So let's talk a little bit more about what we've done actually inside the door to build a better environment for the system to work in, as well as that component change. Starting off then, the soundproofing. This is using something called Skin's 3mm layer as a product. It's applied to key areas inside a door. This is not quite finished yet, there's still a little bit more to do, but what we've actually got is a far more solid environment in here. What this actually does is like an adhesive layer that basically sticks and applies to door panels as well as the back framework here. We've actually removed this section to allow more access, to allow more soundproofing to be applied behind here, as well as the fact on this central layer around the speaker and then the back of the door card, reducing rattles and resonations, building a better environment for the system to work in, as well as what it actually does is reduce some of that road noise that nobody really wants as well. But let's talk about the actual component itself. So this is the new Audison Prima coaxial speaker. Basically the car, as you heard earlier, didn't come with a tweeter higher up. So what we've actually done, keeping everything into a stock location, we've gone for a very simple yet effective upgrade here. We've gone for a tweeter that sits into a stock location as what's called a coaxial design. Basically the tweeter is built into the actual mid-bass woofer here itself. Inside here on this 4-inch driver, this is the stock one. So there's no tweeter in here. That's why it sounded very muffled before the car came into us, but now that is all about to change. This is the factory component I've got in my hand, plastic framework, very cheap paper cone design. But I don't know if you guys know this, but this component you'll see configured in, say, a BMW 2 Series, BMW 1 Series, all the way up to a Rolls-Royce Phantom 8. Literally, most of the Rolls-Royce range continue using a BMW platform speaker, and these are actually exactly the same speaker that I removed a long time ago on a Rolls-Royce Phantom 8. And it reminds me of that because it's the same component itself. So obviously upgrading it to this level of component makes a massive difference. Obviously sound reproduction in terms of mid-bass, but also that clarity. You now got a tweeter here which deals with all those higher frequencies. It's going to make a world of difference in the car, and especially for our client. As soon as this door card goes back together, it's all going to look completely stock, but with a massive difference in sound. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. Hopefully you guys have enjoyed it as well. We've done the simple yet really effective upgrade on the brand new Mini John Cooper Works. If you're interested in something like this on your vehicle, smash that subscribe button. All the contact details for us are in the description below. Get in contact, we'd love to hear from you, and we'd love to upgrade the sound in your vehicle, make your driving experience so much more enjoyable. So thank you very much for watching. We'll see you on the next one. We're giving away a brand new PlayStation 5 and a controller, as well as an Audison Prima amplifier, so you guys at home can upgrade the system in your vehicle as soon as we hit 10,000 subscribers on YouTube. So help us out, smash that subscribe button, and you can be in the chance of winning all this.